Ahoy and welcome to Laser Gadgets. Today I'm happy to announce this is actually another Lasergun. After nobody wanted to see my super awesome Halo nerf, you get to see another Lasergun. And this one is obviously steampunk style. LEDs to the side. Those side vents are just, that was kind of tricky to make. Copper exhausts, a super tiny hand wheel, not very wheelie, but copper pipes on the side, copper side on top. It's not really side, but a bit too futuristic for real steampunk. Like as always, I always go to sci-fi. More copper down here, all soldered, full metal, wooden grip panels. The main switch is down here, well hidden. It all sits flush, and it's real heavy. Oh yeah, that's better. This one right here is definitely super duper nice, so could be my new favorite actually, especially on that stand. Custom stand, weird shape. That's how I wanted it. Some brass there and there. Not very steampunk actually. My actual plan was to go steampunk, yeah. Not this time. Now let's see what the laser can do. I mean, I guess most people know, but still. And pop. Exactly. And now a target that doesn't make sound when it pops. Just Takes a while, but makes it shine. Interesting. Sorry, nerve. Favorite target is foam. Back up, man. Back up. I got a laser gun. Yellow targets work well. Black works even better. Let's make a hole. Knocking that stuff is kind of fun. Too late now to laser a middle finger right onto it. Trusty viewers know I'm allergic to smells. That's bad. That's really bad. Smells like burnt rubber. Boom. That's it for the day, guys. Next time, I think it's a nerf again. Some guy paid me $1,000 for a, not kidding, he really did, for modding this, and I think I make it like 3 times longer, and heavier and cooler a lot longer, so long it won't even make it in this picture. Stay tuned for that. Whenever do you see a $1,000 nerf, I would like to see that. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I see you next time.